I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your newer Honda key fob. This one happens to be a 2018 Honda Clarity. I believe it will work with most newer Honda ones. Here's the symptoms. When you're outside, unlock, lock, nothing happens. And the most annoying thing that you're probably experiencing here is when you go in to start it, it will say that there's no fob detected. It almost seems like the battery on the car is dead, but it's not. Yeah, to start, hold remote near start button. So you have to put it all the way up here, and then it detects it, and you have to start it. Now, the really annoying thing is when you're driving, and here I'll show you.
Visitation will be 9:30 until the service time.
So you might be getting this message as well. Yeah, no keyless remote detected. That will keep coming up as you're driving. Super annoying. So here is how to do it. It is a very quick and easy fix. You get your new battery. It is a CR2032, which is very common on most newer key fobs like this. So to do this, I will attempt to keep showing you the video on doing it. There is this little release back here. So you push it, and that pulls out the emergency door key in the fob. And then you won't break it. You take your two fingers here and pull. You have to pull kind of hard, but that pops out. And there's where the battery is. Plus side goes up, just like that one is. You have to kind of get it out around there. Sometimes you need a little screwdriver. But I've got a little bit of fingernails here that I started getting it out. Yep. Okay, so here's the old one. New one goes in just kind of the same way. Pops in, positive side out. Just like that. And then you put these two together. Put it back on. And then, as you can see, the lock and unlock is now working. And as we are going into this, I've got the remote over here. Starts and works just fine. So if this was helpful to you, one thing I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. It's down there on the bottom right. I try to do quick, easy fixes for people that are helpful. So if this helped you out with your newer Honda, like I said, this one's an 18 Honda Clarity, which is a little bit of an unusual car, but it will work on most newer Hondas, I believe, and pretty much a lot of vehicles. So anyways, please like and subscribe. Thank you.